Is your Samsung phone's power button broken or unresponsive? No problem. In this guide, you'll learn two simple ways to enter safe mode without using the physical power button. These methods use built-in Samsung features, allowing you to troubleshoot your device quickly and safely. Method 1. Use the quick settings panel. Start by unlocking your Samsung phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen twice to fully expand the quick settings panel. In the upper right corner, tap the virtual power icon. This opens the software power menu without needing the physical button. Next, press and hold the power off option for a few seconds instead of tapping it once. After a moment, a green safe mode icon or prompt will appear on the screen. Tap safe mode to confirm your choice. Your phone will automatically restart, and once it finishes booting, you'll see safe mode displayed in the bottom left corner of the screen, confirming that the device has started successfully in safe mode. Method 2. Use the Accessibility Assistant menu. If you prefer having an on-screen power shortcut, open the Settings app and scroll down to Accessibility. Tap Interaction and Dexterity, then enable the Assistant menu option. A floating button will appear on your screen that can be moved anywhere for convenience. Tap the floating assistant menu icon and choose the power off menu option. When the power menu appears, press and hold the power off button until the safe mode prompt is displayed. Tap safe mode and your phone will restart directly into safe mode. While in safe mode, only the pre-installed system apps will run, making it easier to identify whether a downloaded app is causing the problem. Once you finish troubleshooting, simply restart your phone normally to exit safe mode. And that's it. Keep exploring our channel for more quick and easy tech solutions. See you next time.